Hey you guys, what is up? Good freaking morning. No, it's not morning. It's like 11:32 if I'm being honest, but it's not that late, which I'm pretty proud of myself that I didn't forget to start the vlog. The one thing that I did forget is to vlog my meal, but I did get a little snip of it on my phone, so I'll include that now. Well, I forgot my vlog camera upstairs, but it's lunchtime and I'm gonna have a little salad that Matthew gave me and I'm excited. But anyways, I am currently working. Today is definitely a better day. I'm just feeling like a little bit better. I spent some time yesterday just, I'm currently working. Like, I'm on lunch, I have a couple minutes left. So I have my computer up on the background. So if you see me looking on the background, that's what I'm doing. But anyways, yesterday I spent some time working on like a sketch draft of like my goals and stuff, so I think that really helped me and motivated me. So that just like really goes to show that like maybe even taking time to like I don't know, like write in a journal and even write something else that maybe isn't about your feelings or what's going on, but just writing in general does help get your mind off of things. So that's what I did yesterday, and it really did help me just think about the future, think about like what, like the bigger picture. So it got me really excited and just looking forward to things. Today is gonna be a little bit, I would say like a little bit of a busier day. It's not really a lot going on. My hair is like a mess, but it's not like a whole time, but that was my alarm. But Matthew is gonna go to a show after work by himself. He always does stuff like that. He's going to like a wrestling event, which I'm like, go on your own. Plus like I have Vlogmas to like upload, record, well first off record, edit, upload, all that stuff, and I have some other content that I need to record and dedicate some time to, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I also had this idea that I wanted to clean up the house today and also clean up the pantry, like organize it, because I don't know, people are going to be over. I don't want things to be unorganized, but it really depends on how long the content that I have to record is going to take me. Now for that, I'm planning, I don't know, it's going to be a lot. I don't know. I really don't know. I need to maybe think of some ideas. I do want to do like a reel, but I don't know if I want to do like a reel of me actually using the product, or if it's something that I want to do just like showing the product. I think I'll do something like both, like a combination of both. But that is the plan as of now. And usually like recording a reel doesn't take like a whole ton of time, but it can sometimes. And I'm fine with just recording the content today, editing, and then uploading it the following day or something like that. So that is the plan. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work because I have like 2 minutes left on my lunch and it's time for work, you know, is what it is. It's the life. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later, and welcome to Vlogmas day 21. It's crazy that we're almost done with Vlogmas, but one of my goals is to actually keep up with vlogging more regularly, so I can't wait to share. It's funny that I'm like, I'm gonna go back to work and then I continue talking, but I'm gonna continue vlogging a lot more regularly, so I'm excited for that, and sharing my goals and actually like kind of keeping this like as a, I guess you could say like a diary in a sense of me working towards those goals. So well, I'll update you all more on that later on once I have like an idea, a better idea of what I want to do. But anyways, I'll talk to you later.
You gotta sit within the first 4 rows or you sit right off a floor.
Plans. Matthew dragged me to this thing. Woo! At my seat. Yay. you guys, oh my gosh, it has been a day. I decided literally last minute that I wanted to go to the show with my husband. I actually won tickets through the arena where it was going to be at. So they contacted me, I won tickets, they left them at will call, and I ended up going to a whole show right now. So I'm just now getting back. It's literally like, it's about to be 11 o'clock and I need to get this vlog up like within an hour to make sure it counts as Vlogmas day 21. So I'm a little stressed out, but it's okay. So here's gonna be another short vlog. I swear, I feel like I've been terrible this Vlogmas. Last year, I feel like I did a decent job, and this time it's just not going too well, but it's okay. At least I'm trying it, at least I'm doing it. I'll get better one day and then we'll go from there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Let's hope tomorrow's a better vlog day. I think it will be. I'll plan for it. So I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye.